Once home to the world-famous American Tourister luggage company, Touristermill is now a stunning waterfront apartment community that offers a rare, one-of-a-kind rental opportunity for waterfront living on the beautiful Bay of Warren, Rhode Island. Our pet-friendly studio, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5-bedroom apartments are available with spacious open floor plans, many with fireplaces, harbor views, and additional loft space. Each apartment at Touristermill has a sleek modern kitchen, in-unit washer and dryer, and central air conditioning. Convenient on-site storage and garage parking are also available, as well as an assortment of tastefully appointed on-site amenities completes the package, putting Touristermill in a class of its own. Work out right at home in our fully equipped fitness center. Enjoy your favorite movies and sports on the big screen in our theater room with cinema-style seating. Practice your putt in the indoor putting green. Unwind with a game of pool in a game room. Or relax on the waterfront patio with bocce ball and grilling areas surrounded by beautiful sights and the sounds of the harbor. This vibrant seaside community is also home to a potpourri of fine restaurants, yacht charters, picturesque beaches, local arts, and museums, and all just minutes from your new home at Touristermill. Come take a tour of this gorgeous waterfront community and discover the unparalleled comfort and style of loft-style living at Touristermill.